Said you want to water, and I will send you. Sorry. Daddy may not be able to pronounce your phonetic English because I schooled in the 80s. And this is the way I've been writing it that I'm able to be on my PhD, do my second. So I may not be able to pronounce your phonetic English because the children used to at the same time correct me as well. So just take my English the way it is. Do you understand? So when you are here and said you know what's up, let me send you. What they have here is Agbo. Agbo means house. There's a particular song that says, Shere Ru Agbo, Agbara Agbo, Loshon which simply means before the coming of the Western doctors, there's always a way people from Oshobo, they take care of the details. And one of the things is that water heals any sickness. That water attends to any sickness. That water cleans any sickness. That Agbo will heal you. You can see so many people have been coming, moving in and out for the past 2 weeks now. Because they so much believe in that particular Agbo. Sometimes you don't pack it. It's about your belief and your religion. Do you understand? Even if you are taking a tablet and you don't have the belief in that tablet, you are wasting your time. Do you understand? So that's any question. This is where the king and the vintage lady used to bring that calabash on that day. You know that this place will be too crowded. I will ask money to let you from that so that you will see it. You cannot even have an accent. You can only see the vintage lady. Where I was
c'est ça, c'est ça.
Thanks for watching.